Chapter 3, Mirrors and Reflections. Have you been to the dentist recently? Do you remember if he or she used a tool with a mirror to look at your teeth? Think for a minute about how useful that mirror is. Why does the dentist use it? This simple tool allows him or her to see the back of your teeth. He or she can also see teeth way in the back of your mouth. Without it, he or she couldn't do his or her job nearly as well. Ask to see this tool the next time you're at the dentist. So what is a mirror? A mirror has a smooth, shiny surface that reflects light. Light that is reflected bounces off of something in its path. You have already learned that light travels in a straight line unless it runs into something in its way. If light hits a transparent object, it passes right through the object. If it hits an opaque object, the light is absorbed and blocked, so a shadow is made. If light hits a smooth, shiny surface like a mirror, it is reflected. When a mirror is made, glass is coated with hot, silvery metals and then cooled. This coating makes the mirror shiny, so it reflects back all the light that hits it. Did you know that there are different types of mirrors? You probably use a plain mirror every morning when you get ready for school. A plain mirror has a more or less flat surface. The reflection of something in a plain mirror is almost the same size as the real object. Plain mirrors are used in many tools. Cameras, telescopes, and microscopes sometimes use plain mirrors. Some toys even use plain mirrors. Have you ever looked through a toy called a kaleidoscope? A kaleidoscope is a tube with plain mirrors inside. There are also tiny bits of colored glass and beads sealed up inside the kaleidoscope. You look through a small hole at one end of the kaleidoscope and point it towards the light. As you rotate the tube, you will see beautiful colored patterns. There are two other types of mirrors that are different from plain mirrors. Plain mirrors have flat surfaces, but concave and convex mirrors have curved surfaces. The smooth, shiny side of a concave mirror curves inward like a spoon. The smooth, shiny side of a convex mirror curves outward. Here's another way that concave and convex mirrors are different from plain mirrors. Remember that in a plain mirror, the reflection of an object is about the same size as the object. In concave and convex mirrors, the reflection can look larger or smaller than the real object. Concave and convex mirrors are also useful. Concave mirrors can be used to provide heat using the light from the sun. Remember that sunlight is a form of light and heat energy. The large concave mirror in the image on the next page reflects the sun's energy so that people can warm their hands or bodies outside. What about convex mirrors? The next time you get on a bus, take a look at the mirrors on the sides of the bus. Most buses and large trucks have a small extra convex mirror on the side view plane mirror. The convex mirror makes objects look smaller, but shows a wider area so you can see more. It helps drivers avoid hitting something they might not see in the regular plane mirror. So now you see how useful mirrors are in our everyday lives. Mirrors can also be a lot of fun. A circus or carnival sometimes has a place called the Fun House or House of Mirrors. If you go in, there are lots of concave and convex mirrors. When you look in these mirrors, you might not recognize yourself. Your reflection is distorted. What makes that happen? Now you know it's concave and convex mirrors.